Let's now go to goiter, thyroid problems. Let's discuss phlegm and blood stasis. The clinical manifestations: goiter that is hard, possibly with nodules, painful, dark skin over the goiter, a feeling of oppression of the chest, insomnia, and anxiety. The tongue would be purple, swollen with a sticky coating. The pulse would be wiry. For treatment principle, we regulate qi, invigorate blood, eliminate stasis, resolve phlegm, soften hardness, and dissolve goiter. We can use acupuncture points. For distal points, it's triple burner 6, gallbladder 34, liver 3, pericardium 6, bladder 18, spleen 10, bladder 17, spleen 4, pericardium 6, stomach 40, Ren 12, and spleen 6. The even method except Ren 12, which should be needle with reinforcing method. For local points, we use Ren 22, stomach 9, Li 18, stomach 10, and Li 17 with even method. Acupuncture points explanation: triple burner 6, gallbladder 34, liver 3, pericardium 6, and bladder 18 move liver chi. Moving qi is necessary to invigorate blood, pericardium 6 and liver 3 also to invigorate blood. Spleen 10 and bladder 17 is to invigorate blood. Spleen 4 and pericardium 6 to open the penetrating vessel which invigorates blood. Stomach 40, Ren 12, and spleen 6 which resolves phlegm. Thank you for your attention.